1986 was the year where we really started seeing African Americans going to jail in numbers that made 0 sense. They called it the war on drugs. And in the war on drugs, the idea behind it was wonderful. We want to get rid of cocaine. We want to eliminate the usage. The idea is amazing. It was how they decided to do it that I have a problem with. So here's what would happen. They actually built 2 different laws and they passed them. The first law was representing crack cocaine compared to powder cocaine. One was in a solid form, one was in a powder. What you typically found was the solid form was in the minority communities. The powder was typically in the Caucasian communities. So what they did was they passed this law and they said, if you have crack cocaine, the solid version, you need 5 grams for an automatic minimum sentence. Powder cocaine, you need 500 grams. But one form of this, 5 grams is gonna send you away. The other one, you need 100 times as much of the same product for you to get the same sentence.
We passed, on a bipartisan basis, a law that imposed a 100-to-1 sentencing disparity between crack cocaine and powder cocaine offenses, the Anti-Drug Abuse Act of 1986. To this date, it is one of the worst votes I ever cast.
That's a disparity that kills communities. That is a disparity that kills families. Because I'm not fighting for the fact that these brothers did something wrong and went to jail. That's not my issue. My issue is they should have had a lot more company, or they should have had a lot more leniency. Either way, it needs to be equal.